guys, and welcome to my channel. You are watching Domestic Diva Home, and my name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today, I am participating in a collaboration hop hosted by Nicole Northgarden. I will have Nicole's channel linked down below, and I will also link a next person in line for you to hop on over and check out what she's been working on from the collaboration. That's how the hop works. You most likely hopped on over from someone else's channel, and now I'll send you off to someone else's. So I will be decorating my family room for fall, cleaning and decorating it. It is a place where we spend together as a family, watching TV or just simply hanging out. So I wanted to make it cozy, traditional, but at the same time a bit of rustic, a farmhouse style. I think I always say it's Sonja style. That's what my style of home decor is. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started.
So here is the overview of the room. I am going to finish taking down my summer decor, give it a good dusting, and then I'm also going to take down the curtains, wash them so that they're nice and fresh smelling. I like to put away the stuff that I know for sure I will not be using and leave out the odds and ends that I use no matter what season it is. That way I can just have it on hand as I'm decorating. So like trays, cloches, maybe some pictures or vases, lanterns, things like that. If you guys are stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonja. I do home cleaning and decorating on this channel, but I do have two other channels, a DIY channel, which you will see a lot of the DIYs displayed in this, in a lot of my decorate with me videos. And I also have a cooking channel where I share my passion for cooking. So if any of those channels interest you, make sure you head on over to them. They are in the description box, the links to them, and check them out. Maybe you'll like to stick around and press the subscribe button on those as well. So I have hung this Tabasco basket with my wreath that I made, the cotton wreath here. I'm not 100% sure that I'm loving the way that looks. It's I don't know, it's just not speaking to me the way I would like it. And then I just love to decorate this season with pumpkins and hay. I love that rustic look, so that's what you're going to see, a lot of different size and textured pumpkins. And then I'm decorating this floating shelf above my TV. It was this shelf I ended up changing stuff around. You'll see a bit later in the video, but I am happy with the way it turned out. whenever I'm decorating, it almost never stays the way I do it the first time. I change around so many times until I'm 100% happy. Now I'm moving on to my coffee table, and I like to again decorate with lots of pumpkins, lots of different textures, and that keeping that rustic color. Because I run a home daycare and I'm always doing a lot of these type of videos during nap time, I never know how much time I'm going to have. So this is the next day, and I've already took down the cotton wreath and just left the tobacco basket, and then I added my pumpkin sign to it as well. And I'm changing out the coffee table because I wasn't overly happy with the way that looked either. And I will be adding doing some changes to the shelf as well.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Now looking back, eyes on the free. Bonnie and Clyde, a classic.
Then I have this chair that I picked up last Christmas, right after Christmas at Costco, and I love it. It's a recliner, so I want to make it even more cozy by adding blankets and pillows. And then I'm adding more blankets and pillows on my love seats and my actually I did not put anything on my couch as far as a blanket goes. I do however add a couple pillows to that.
So I am all done, so I'm gonna walk you through and show you kind of everything. Here is a little bit of an overview of the whole room. So I'm gonna start over here. I love pillows, but my family is not crazy about them, so I try to limit them
As you can see, I do have 6 pillows, but I would love it if it was all full. The 2 end pillows came with the couch, and then the middle one, the buffalo plaid I made, and the little leafy one is from Dollarama. Then moving over here, I have my 3-tier tray. I will link a video of how I decorated these. I love decorating with tier trays. It is one of my favorite things to decorate, so I love to include it in all of my decor. So make sure you check out that video. And then this fireplace is massive. I think it's 65 inches wide, and it's a perfect fireplace for this room in my opinion, but it does give me, I think, the most trouble to decorate. I like the way this looks. It might look different when I do my home tour, because I don't know, there's something that's feeling a little off for me, so I might be playing with it. As you saw, even a day made a difference, but I kind of play with it until I feel that it is right. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 weeks for me to reach that right spot. But for now, this is it. And I do like I said, I do like the way it looks. The little hay came from HomeSense, as well as the porcupine pumpkin. The pumpkin patch sign I made. The tobacco basket came from HomeSense. The little candelabras were thrifted. The piece of driftwood was from a cottage that we rented for, I would say, about 8 consecutive years, and some of our fondest memories come from that cottage, so I brought something to commemorate those vacations, and I love the way it looks on my fireplace. I have one in my garden as well. And then I just have a whole bunch of pumpkins, the big ones for Michael's, the rest are dollar store. And the candelabra is from HomeSense. Moving over here, I think the blanket came from Claire de Lune. My kids got it for me, and the little pumpkin farm pillow came from Pier 1. Then I just left a little turkey, and then there's a candle in there, but I think it's at the very end, so it keeps turning off for me. And then I just put some cute little pumpkin beside it. The turkey came from Michael's, and the pumpkin came from dollar store, I think Dollarama. And then up top, I struggle with this shelf as well, but I am happy with the way it turned out. So over here, I just placed a little lantern from Dollarama with a pumpkin on top of books just to elevate it a little bit. And then there's a cloche that I thrifted with pumpkins, and all the pumpkins are from Dollar Tree. The big green pumpkin came from Michael's, and the little Farm Fresh pumpkin sign is a DIY that I created. I will link up all the DIYs in the description box in case if you want to try them out. Then the big black vase just stays there all year long, and I just change out a couple things, but for fall I'll just leave that the way it is. Then turning over here, just added a Hello Autumn pillow that I made with a nice comfy blanket. And then over here, this is as my husband puts it, his side table, and he doesn't want anything on it, but I just put this fall sign that I made just to kind of cover up the Google thing and some charging cables. So I want to thank Nicole for hosting this hop, and so make sure you hop on over to Jamie's channel and check out what she's been working on. I can guarantee you guys are going to get tons of fall clean and decorate inspiration from
us in this hop collaboration. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you subscribe, press the notification bell. And just so you know, I do have 2 other channels besides the home channel, a DIY channel that I create all these DIYs that I showcase in this home, as well as a cooking channel. So if that's something that interests you, head on over there, check it out, and subscribe if you like. So once again, I would like to thank Nicole, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.